already copied the 4th class English word meaning and question answer. Now we will follow the textbook work. Please everyone check the textbook with you. Marigold 4th class, page number 4. Okay, let's listen. Okay, now we will listen, going to listen. Listen to the songs of birds. Say the words boy and bee. Listen to the sound bee sound in. Okay, now we are going to learn some bee sound. Okay, the words alphabet start with B. Alphabet B. Okay, here is some examples are big, starting with the B. Bubbles, starting with the B. Bin, bag, blue, blow and black. All these words are starting with the B. There is also some other words, but here is this word. Okay, please learn everyone this word. Now the second one, listen to the baby chicks. In the poem we already saw that the chicken, the sound made by the chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Which letter start with a C? Okay, all of you look the textbook, the word start with a C. Okay, how we will say this word? Cheep, 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 cheep. Okay, understood? Now, again, we will going to see that last words, say loud, last part of the page number 4. We are going to see many other words start with the B sound. Okay, we will learn little difficult. Sister will read slowly. You can see. Betty bought a bit of butter. Okay, all these are B sound. Betty bought a bit of butter. But the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter. So, Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Okay, the same words B sound repeating. Okay, all of you read this one. Everyone should read. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter that Betty bought was bitter. So, Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. This one only to read only. Okay, you can read only. Okay, now we are going to see the exercise. Let's write. Okay, please everyone follow with the textbook. Connect the pairs of sentences below using and, or, but. Okay, now we are going to use this and, or, but. Okay. This sentence, we use and we should make this using and or but. We should make this sentence into one. There are two sentences. We should make into one by using and or but. In English, and we use for joining list of things. Okay, now we can hear what is this in Hindi.
दो सेंटेंस को जोड़ने के लिए हम लोग एंड का यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम एंड श्याम आर प्लेइंग टुगेदर. ओके, राम और श्याम साथ में खेल रहे हैं. ओके,
नाउ बट इन हिंदी मीन्स लेकिन. दैट वी यूज इन इंग्लिश. वी यूज not for joining, but it's also joining word, but we use for one thing after what will happen again. We use for that, lekin.
So, but means English is lekin. So for example, जैसे राम is a good boy but he is a naughty. Then before we are use and means और हुआ, बट इस सेंटेंस में क्या हुआ, बट मीन्स लेकिन. जैसे कि राम एक अच्छा लड़का है लेकिन वो एक दुष्ट बुरा भी है. ओके, दिस सेंटेंस.
Okay, now we are going to take the first example. It is time to get up for school. Okay, first sentence. I want to sleep for some more time. Okay, these two sentences. Now for you check. This is saying about I am ready. It is already time to go school. Next sentence, I want to sleep for some more time. For you it is a joining something. Joining means a list of things. No, it is not a list of things. But you use I want to get up, but I want to sleep for some more time. How it will come this sentence? It is time to get up for school, but we will remove this full stop from here. But I want to sleep for some more time. Then this one line we should write in one line. Here we use but to remove this full stop. Okay, then how we will write? It is time to get up for school, but I want to sleep for some more time. No need of full stop. Okay, do you understand? The second one. Okay, the second paragraph, second sentence. There are two sentences. Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday. She got some new clothes too. Now here you notice that here is saying that Sheila got a chocolate for her birthday. Then about another she got some new clothes, means a list of things she got. Then how what joining words we can use? And then how we can use? Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday and some new clothes, because no need of this she got, no need of adding this she got. We will remove this one because Sheila only, she means Sheila only. Then Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday and some new clothes too.
Then Hindi example, Sheila got some chocolates for her birthday and some new clothes too. Means शीला अपने बर्थडे में सम चॉकलेट्स वो मिला उसको, उसके साथ साथ उसको और क्या मिला? सम क्लोथ मीन्स सम ड्रेस ऑल्सो मिला. तो हमको रिपीट नहीं करना है. शीला एंड सी मीन्स सेम थिंग. तो डायरेक्टली सेंटेंस शीला गोट सम चॉकलेट्स फॉर हर बर्थडे एंड सम न्यू क्लोथ्स टू. हिंदी मीनिंग, शीला अपने फ्रेंड्स चॉकलेट्स कुछ रिसीव किया, उसके साथ साथ सम ड्रेस भी रिसीव किया.
Okay, third one. Hope you understand the second one. No need of adding she got. Directly add and some new clothes too. Okay, third one. Everyone has gone to sleep. I want to read my book. Everyone has gone to sleep. Everyone went to sleep. I want to read my book. Everyone went. Not a list of things. It is only two sentences, but we can use with everyone has gone to sleep, but I want to read my book. Remove this full stop. Then we add here, but everyone has gone to sleep, but I want to read my book. Okay, the next one. Raju plays cricket. He also plays hockey. Okay, here is only saying about Raju. Raju, he, same person. Raju plays cricket. List of things. He plays cricket and hockey also. Then Raju plays cricket and hockey. Raju plays cricket and hockey. This he also play. No need of adding. Raju plays cricket and hockey. Hope you understand this one. Okay, please everyone write here. The next exercise is this one. Everyone should study. Okay, you should study everyone by heart. Okay, second one, fill in the blanks according to the example given below. First word, tiny. Tiny means small. Tinier means more small. Tiniest, smallest. Okay, tiny, tinier, we add tiniest. Okay, then here how we will add? Big, bigger, biggest. Sleepy, sleepier, sleepiest. IEST add. lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Okay. Next, late, later, latest. Round, rounder, roundest. est at the end. Small, smaller, smallest. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. This is good, totally different, not like this. No, this one round, rounder, roundest, small, smaller, but good is totally different, completely. Another one, good, we use better, best. Okay, all of you, this one study very well. And this one, this you and but copy into the fair copy, make into long sentence, one sentence copy. This one study well, and everyone study the textbook, word meaning and question answer. Okay, thank you students.